A calm garden is not about having fewer plants. It is about choosing plants that work quietly together. Many gardens feel crowded, not because they are small, but because every plant is trying to stand out. Calm gardens feel different. They move slowly. They repeat shapes. They leave space for the eyes to rest. Today, we look at plants that instantly make a garden feel calmer, more balanced, and more intentional. The first plant is hosta. Hosta creates calm through simplicity. Wide leaves, clean structure, no visual noise. It works best in shaded and partially shaded areas, especially under trees or along garden paths. Repeating the same hosta variety creates rhythm and makes the space feel grounded. The second plant is Japanese forest grass. This grass adds movement without chaos. Its arching blades flow gently and soften hard edges. Japanese forest grass works beautifully near stone paths, retaining walls and shaded borders. The movement is slow and natural, which helps the garden feel relaxed. The third plant is ferns. Ferns cool a garden visually. Their layered fronds add texture without creating contrast. They are ideal for shaded corners that need depth without feeling dense. When planted in groups, ferns create a quiet backdrop that supports other plants. The fourth plant is Russian sage. Russian sage adds height without making the garden feel heavy. Its airy structure allows light and air to pass through freely. The silvery foliage softens the scene and reduces visual tension. This plant is perfect for creating openness in compact spaces. The fifth plant is lavender. Lavender brings structure and softness together. Its consistent shape creates order in the garden. Muted colors help calm the overall look, especially when lavender is planted in repetition. It works very well along borders and walkways. The sixth plant is fine-textured ornamental grasses. These grasses add life without demanding attention. They move gently in the wind and never feel aggressive. Used sparingly, they fill space without making the garden feel full. The seventh plant is a single small tree. A Japanese maple, olive tree, or similar species works best. One strong focal point is more calming than many competing shrubs. A single tree anchors the garden and gives the eyes a place to rest. The final principle is restraint. Calm gardens are not created by adding more plants. They are created by editing. Repeating fewer plants, leaving negative space, and choosing soft textures creates a peaceful atmosphere. A calm garden is not empty. It simply knows when to stop.